everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of October 19th through the 25th. So, as we've been having all month, another Halloween kit. This one is from Lahlaland. It's called, I think, Spider Party, and I just printed off these 2 pages, full boxes, checklists. I think it's super cute. It's all I really need. I also pulled some bonus things, leftovers from last week's kit, because these colors go really well. So I'm going to use the habit trackers, maybe this other stuff. We'll see. Not the orange, probably. For bottom washi, I'm going to use this one, which I think is from Meyer. I don't know. And then this one that's from AliExpress. And I'm just going to stack them on top of each other. I'm just dropping things, don't mind me. I think that's going to look really cute. And then for headers, I'm going to put this pink one on the top, and then the purple one in the middle, and then this black vinyl sparkly thing at the bottom. So that's the plan. I'm going to do all this stuff and stick these guys down along the bottom. And then I will come back to do full boxes, sidebar, all that interesting stuff afterwards. Alright, so here is all the base stuff put down. I'm liking it so far. Forgot to tell you where any of the washi is from, but the pink and the black are from Dollar Tree, and then this one's from Amazon. It's a little bit too wide, but once I put the full boxes down over it, it's not even going to matter. So in terms of full boxes, we have 4 that are like totally black, and then these 2 that are like pretty black, and then those 2 that are colorful. So I feel like those 2 go together and those 2 go together. So I'm going to stick this one as my quote box. I feel like it's very indicative of the overall kit vibes. I'm going to stick its buddy right here. It's a little long. I was going to say I don't really care, but turns out I think I do. So I'm just going to trim it. I like this black sparkly washi, but it's so like vinyl, which makes it really annoying. Alright, so then I think I'm going to do like this guy. And then this stripey one, like only non-Halloweeny looking one. Like so. And then I want to do these 2 that are not black. One there. Another one over here. And then these are the last 2. The hardest part is just deciding which order to put them in. I think I'm going to put them in this order. I don't really know why, it just feels right, so I'm gonna do it. Alright, there we go. So now we have pretty much everything set up. kind of weird that there's not very much white space, but I think it's going to look fine when we are done. Alright, so for the sidebar, I'm going to start out with this like skinny pink washi. It's almost gone. Definitely cannot do another spread with it. I don't think it has enough left to do even 7 headers. So I might try to finish it. We'll see. Alright, stick that in. I think I actually only want one habit tracker. I'm going to use this purple one from Organized Potato. I need 4 habit trackers last week. I used 2, but I don't know. I'm only feeling 1 this week. And I'm going to take this washi again. Like so. This is going to be for Instagram, by the way. I didn't pull any Instagram stickers, but I don't really care. I don't feel like it's super necessary. I can just write in Instagram. I'm looking to see if there's a header, my leftovers, that I want to use with like a to-do kind of thing. I'm not feeling any of them, so I'm just going to not stick a header. And that'll be fine. It's not a huge deal. And I just look over to the side. I have like some sticker books sitting. I'm just going to see if there's like any interesting headers. Yeah, no, nothing. Nothing over there either. Pull little scrippy scraps. Like Caitlin says, I say thank you for your service at the beginning of the week. So that's pretty exciting. Just stick in this to-do list. I have plenty of things that I need to do, so I will put that in there. Then I'm just going to stick another strip of this washi. There's apparently more left than I thought. But I know if I try to do another set of headers, it'll be gone. Like, look at that. So I might try to use it up this week. Then I have this big space left, and I'm actually going to take this leftover bats box. I know that there's no bats and the whole kit is spider themed, but I feel like it kind of goes with the vibes. It's also an Organized Potato box. There we go. And it fits perfectly. It's like even the same height as the washi. That's awesome. All right, so sidebar is done. In terms of the week, I said that weird. I have this Happy Planner book. I don't even know which one it is. But I'm going to use this color to mark work every day. So I'm just going to pull 5 of them. Not taking any time off. There's definitely no time for that right now. We are swamped. I'm at like 115% capacity right now. So I'm just going to stick that in like so for each day. I'm just going to kind of like randomly place it however it falls and not worry about them all matching. I feel like they kind of look like spiders, even though they only have 6 legs instead of 8. There we go. So that's for work. Other than that, on Monday, I have my plan with me. And I was just going to stick it in the box. But I also have these star stickers here from a different Happy Planner book. So I'm just going to take one of these stars and stick it right there like that for my plan with me. Tuesday, I'm going to pull from that same page this Now guy. We have a major deadline at work. So I just want to mark like deadline day. Wednesday, let me see. I'm just going to keep pulling from these Happy Planner books because I have them sitting right here and I'm lazy. I'm going to take, oh, do I want the purple? I think I'm going to pull the black one. I'm just going to pull one of these tiny hearts. I just want to mark down the Masked Singer. I'm going to stick that right down here at the bottom. There we go. Thursday, no idea what's happening. Friday, no idea what's happening. And then the weekend, we don't have anything planned. So this is like really all I have right now. It's going to be a crazy busy week, but like not really anything interesting to put into my planner. So I'm going to fill in a little bit, I know, with my iHow 0.38 with the little kitty. Looks like my kitty when I was growing up. And then I will be right back. All right, that is everything that I have right now. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. It's so cute. I love it. So as I mentioned already, there are no leftovers from this kit from Lahlaland Studio. So I'll just go through all the extras that I added. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit. For the bottom washi, I think this one came from Meyer. This one definitely came from AliExpress. The skinny pink washi came from Dollar Tree. This and the Habit Tracker are both leftovers from an organized potato kit. All of these little asterisks are Happy Planner. This is Happy Planner, Creative Cavern Studio. This washi is from Amazon, and then this black one is from Dollar Tree. This is more Happy Planner. This is a leftover. I don't know where it came from. More Happy Planner. A leftover from Organized Potato. Bella Digital Designs. More Happy Planner. Happy Planner, Happy Planner. This is Michael's washi. These are all Happy Planner. This is a leftover from Plannerology Studio. And then these are more Happy Planner. I really liked how the color went with this kit, so I ended up just using a lot of that stuff because I already had the book out. So that's everything for this week. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Let me know what kits you're using for the holidays. I would love to know that as well. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. At Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.